Well, good greetings and beautiful and abundant benevolent blessings to all of you wonderful souls out there. Kiara Cass here today with the Crypto Bliss Show. We're ready to blow your mind out the water. Thank you for being here with me today. I really do appreciate it. As you can see, my crypto community is still growing all day, every day, in every single wonderful way. And I'm so grateful and I'm appreciative of you guys and your beautiful and benevolent energy in so many wonderful ways. So thank you for that. As you guys know, I've already smashed through my Algorand video yesterday, and this was absolutely insanely awesome, insanely powerful, and I am so blessed and so excited to see what this cryptocurrency could hit in the future. And of course, I did a good crypto market update video for you, and then you'll see slowly but surely I'm doing millionaire market cap coins. And on this video today, I'm going to be focusing on one of the top, I think it's in the top 10. We'll have to check that in a moment. I can't quite remember right now. But it's definitely, it has the beautiful color that I have as my branding. And I'm pretty sure that was a strong giveaway. But let's go on and look at the project and focus on this project for now. And we're going to talk about it and say why. Well, my project that I'm going to talk about and how you can become a millionaire in Polygon matic today is Polygon, of course. Today it's sitting at 80 cents. It's up 3.3% on the day. It's sitting on just under 500,000 people's watch lists. And it's got a $7.2 billion market cap. Its trading volume was 213 million. And its fully diluted valuation is 8 billion. Its total value locked is 6.37 billion. Its diluted valuation to TVL ratio is 1.26. So it's actually extremely good, an extraordinarily good project here, guys. And this is the kind of thing that you want. Look, you might not, you might have to invest quite a chunk of money to become quite wealthy in it. But at the end of the day, like, this project is proving wonderful energy. Its circulating supply is just under 9 billion. Its total supply is 10 billion, which is a very, very good sign because that means most of the coins are in circulation already. And that is a very good thing. So you can come over here, click on over for the website, but come on over and have a look at what Polygon has done. Boom, it literally has exploded into space. It is down from its all-time high at 292 at 72%. This was about a year ago in 27th December 21. It's up 25,429% from May 10th. That's close to my birthday, 2019, from the 0.0031 cents level. So that's freaking amazing, guys. If you invested in Polygon down there and dollar cost average into that position and you accumulated 1 million coins at that price, my goodness me, you are definitely a multi-millionaire. Even today, even though the market's down, you're definitely extraordinarily wealthy. So let's get you to that point today, and let's go and have a look at the chart so we can just speak a little bit. In fact, before we do the chart, what is Polygon? So Polygon Solutions, Supernets, development, developers, dApps, community, blog, sustainability, bringing the world to Ethereum. So Polygon believes in Web3 for all. Polygon is a decentralized Ethereum scaling platform that enables developers to build scalable, user-friendly dApps with low transaction fees without ever sacrificing on security, which is phenomenal. Those are the things. So it's fast, it's cheap, and it's secure. Okay, that's what pretty much the crypto ecosystem really wants to see from projects. So Instagram launches NFTs on Polygon. Stripe launches global payouts with crypto. As we know, this project has Disney on board. It has huge projects on board. Adidas Originals and Prada launch NFTs on Polygon. 135 million unique addresses, 13,000 delegators, 1.8 billion total transactions, 4 billion in matic staked, 145k contract creators, 140 million daily average gas saved. Because as we know, Ethereum is hugely expensive. 100 active validators, and it's a very, very powerful project built by developers for developers. That's what it is. Okay, so it is able to fully benefit from Ethereum's network effects at half the cost. In fact, a fraction of the cost. Is inherently more secure, and it is more open and powerful, and on top of it is decentralized. Whereas Ethereum has some sort of centralizational points to it, but it's not a centralized system. So scaling solutions, proof of stake, ZK rollups, Edge. My gosh, guys, look at all of this stuff. Polygon makes Ethereum accessible for all. What else? Come and join the community. Just come over and have a look. Here's all their contact pages. You can see who they're with, what their sustainability is like. Come on over and do your own research here and see what it is all about. But let's get on into the numbers, because that's the juicy part, and I know that's the part you guys want to actually see. So you can see here on the very long time frame, okay, over here, it is building up momentum inside a very, very strong triangle pattern. Now it broke out here, it faked out, and I mean that was basically people selling. So this was retail buying. This was everybody else selling. So institutional selling, big investors, whales selling. This was all their selling, and then of course the crashes of everything else. And as you can see, we were rejected here, but we're literally on one of the most solid support lines that we have seen in matic and Polygon. So that's a good sign. And on top of it is on this upward sloping trend, it is looking for support on its current candle. It's oversold here, it's pointing up, it's oversold here, and it's pointing up on the RSI and the stochastic. From this level right to the top of the where the bull market ended is 265%. So that's fantastic. That's a good buying opportunity. But what I need to see is that it breaks out of this downward sloping channel. If it can do that, and I'd say you see here, so by the end of March is pretty much where this has to actually make a full-on decision. Well, not by the end of March, actually by July. There you go, June. By the end of June, it has to make a decision, because essentially, if it breaks this trend line, it can come down to the bottom trend line again, which is support over here. And then it could then look for a stronger momentum up. However, I'm going to say to you, it's looking very strong at this level. It hasn't come back down below this yellow line yet, and I don't believe it probably will do that. So I'm saying that Polygon could end up breaking up sooner rather than expected. Now let's go and have a look at some of the juicy numbers in Polygon, and you can see why and where you can make millions in Polygon. So basically, if Polygon's price is 80 cents today, its market cap 7.2 billion. It is only a 1.3x to get it up to the $1.11. Its previous all-time high was the 356, was it? I don't know. I don't think that was correct. Sorry, guys. Let's go and check that quickly. Quick. Did I put that right? No, it's 292. So you see, if we just hit previous, let's do this for you guys nicely. 2.92. Okay, if we do this nicely, okay, you can see here that it is basically a 3.65 ratio right now of its current price to its all-time high. So the 3.65 gain on your money is actually not a lot. Like, I appreciate it, but it's not a lot, especially for the crypto space. So that's why the $10 billion market cap, which is not too far away, will only take the price up to a $1.11 price. Polygon could get up to the $11 price. That would give it a nearly 14x on your gains. And if it got to a $1 trillion market cap, which, if I can give you some perspective, that if as I've spoken previously on some of my videos, the market space has the potential of a $200 trillion market cap space, plus maybe much more in the future, that $1 trillion would only be 1% of the entire market cap. Look, I think Polygon could probably end up taking plus minus around 3% of the market cap at that point, because it's affordability, scalability, and cheapness at this point. And pretty much there's its market cap dominance. It's sitting at a 1%, just under a 1% market cap dominance currently. So if it got to the $3 trillion market cap, okay, that would probably mean about a 450x on your money, which would probably mean, let's call it a $330 a Polygon, which would be pretty good. And at that point, then I would say that your $10,000 would convert into probably a $30 million market cap, a $30 million investment. Look, it can get there, but if you were to make $1 million, okay, in Polygon, you would have to spend this calculation is not right for some reason. Let me just make sure. Okay, so yeah, okay, so if look, I think on this one I could do it probably on this price, but if you were to make $1 million at the $100 billion market cap and sell off at $11, which it very easily could hit, guys. I mean, this is just over a 10x away. It very easily could do that. It would cost you $72,000 to get that $1 million point. But if you invested $10,000 today and you waited for it to hit just $1 trillion market cap, your $10,000 would convert into $1.3 million. Okay. And if it was to hit a $3 trillion market cap, then perhaps this could get to just shy of a $4 million investment from just $10,000. So that's insane, guys. I do believe Polygon has a very, very long way to go. I still believe we're in its absolute infancy stages. I do believe we have a very, very nice journey ahead. So please be sure to watch my videos on the path to bagging certain cryptos and what quantities those are to be able to become a millionaire in crypto. And I'm just talking very modest $1 million. I'm not talking hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay, although some cryptos could get you to that point. But yeah, just come on over, check my channel, see what it is that I'm doing, check my playlist, and you will see exactly what's happening there on these cryptocurrencies specifically. So thanks for watching this video, and hope to become a millionaire one day with you and hold at least 100,000 worth of Polygon matic. I would absolutely love that. So what are your goals in holding Polygon?